so I'm gonna go up here now, have them primed from the last time. These two wee slithers, absolute awkward and uncomfortable. And today, as you see, the sun's shining on my back, so it's gonna be a cracking day. So this is the day to do it. Yesterday was a different day. It was the most rain I ever seen in my life, nearly. But yeah, wee bit of preparation to do here for these. Obviously need to fix my sheet back up there. But I'm looking forward to getting these wee bits done. Probably just do it before and after, if even an after, because you can't see much of a difference. But a bit of preparation here. Need to get the ladders out, get lots of butters filled up, ready for cleaning. So as soon as one's done, I'm gonna wash it down. I have one full bucket left, but I want to split it because I ain't carrying a full bucket up and down the ladders, because that would just be madness. For all I need, I'll probably fill up probably about that much in the bucket, and that'll do the whole strip, or at least enough to get me down towards the skiffle. But yeah, really looking forward to getting them done, out of the way. I can get the ladders released as well then, because this ladder here, it's not really great for going up and down there. It's okay, but it's not great. And every time I come in the house, guys, I need to get this unboxing done as well. Or sorry, not the unboxing's done. I need to get this giveaway done. And so far, I think the poll said to win it, the win the big box of tools, that people have to. This is what you guys have voted on. That you have to be subscribed, you have to like, and you have to comment on the video that I'm gonna make for the giveaway. And then now I need to just choose how I select the winner, which I think will probably be putting the names in the belly mixer and picking them out. Possibly, if I can, I might do that on a live stream, but if not, doesn't really matter either way. But yeah, guys, I need to get this done. I have some stuff to do today with the family, so I'm gonna get this done nice and early and out of the way. That's strip's all done. Spider running right along it there. I need to give them roofs another quick clean, but I'll do that, I'll oil the lids, and that'll be it finished up there. But now I gotta clean up the tools. That's me on this wee short one, just really before and after. You can see this roof just looks a wee bit dirty, but all that effort for very little, really. It kind of does look good, but it seems like a lot of effort for this much of black. But yeah, I'm gonna get this all scrubbed out and get going quickly.